Hey everybody, it's Artresa Lynn. Welcome back to my channel. This is my wedding planning vlog, episode 4. Yes, I'm already on episode 4. If you've missed any of them, go back and catch up on 1, 2, and 3. So far, I have shared my experience with finding a wedding planner, my venue, and also my wedding dress. So in this episode, I will be doing the proposing. So I've been proposed to, and now I am proposing. I am asking my girls to be my bridesmaids and my maid of honor. So I wanted to do it in a cute and special way. So I purchased boxes and I purchased items to go inside the box that really represents me, and I feel like when my girls open them, they would think of me, and I feel like it's something that they would appreciate too. So I'm all about self-care and doing self-care at home, you know, outside the home too, but this box is specifically for taking care of yourself at home. So let me show you the contents that I have, but today will be my first proposal. Thought I would kick this off with proposing to my maid of honor, so I'm super excited about it, and also kind of nervous, but I don't even know why I'm nervous. But I think just because you know, I don't even know what to say, what to do, but the box pretty much says it all. It says it on the box, and I'm sure she'll be excited and it'll be good times. So we're meeting for drinks because she actually has dinner plans, and yes, I did spring this on her last minute. Like last night I was like, hey, what are you doing tomorrow? Do you have time, 30 minutes to an hour, to have a drink with me? So she's squeezing me in before her dinner plans. Super sweet of her. So yes, let's pack this box. So this is the box. Will you be my maid of honor? I will link everything in the description box below if you guys are interested in this very sturdy box. Super sturdy. This one is for my maid of honor, of course, but also I have will you be my bridesmaid for my bridesmaids. Actually, I think I'm just realizing that inside comes a little card. I couldn't tie the knot without you. And I guess you can personalize it and write your own little message. So I'll be sure to do that. Super sweet. Either I didn't realize that or totally forgot. But there you go. And then also I have crinkle paper. You know, so it looks nice and cute inside, a little bit of filler. And inside the box, I told you I was doing the self-care theme. So this is a collagen lip mask, which looks like that. And then also I am doing eye mask, collagen eye mask, which looks like this. And also I have sheet masks. And this is labeled for mini champagne bottles, which I don't have yet. I have to pick it up before I meet with my friend. Just says, will you bring my bridesmaid? I think there's actually, hold on. Yes, okay, there's a maid of honor in there. Okay, cool. I was like, does this say maid of honor? Okay, so will you be my bridesmaid? Of course, hers would say, will you be my maid of honor? I couldn't tie the knot without you. And this goes on the mini champagne bottle, like I said. And if you notice, it matches the design of the box in the card. Super cute, right? Let's see. And then also champagne flutes I got for the girls. And this one is for my maid of honor. I'll open it up really quick. Okay, there you go. You can see it says maid of honor. So that can go with the champagne that'll be in there. And this last item is specifically for my maid of honor because she likes to travel, and since she's my maid of honor, I just wanted to give her something a little extra special. So I'm getting her a passport holder. I'm sure she already has one, but I just thought this was cute because it matches the color scheme for the box. So let me put it all together and show you guys how it looks. Okay, so I also forgot to show you guys that I'm including a save the date in there, not our official save the date, but it's a little calendar with the month, and then I'll circle the date on here just as a reminder. I mean, most of my girls, I'm pretty sure I told them the date already, but just in case, I thought it would be nice, you know, as a cute little reminder of when the date is, the wedding date. Okay, so the box arrives flat. Let me show you guys. You have to assemble it yourself. So this is how it arrives. It comes with these instructions. Online it said it was pretty simple to put together. I'll be the judge of that. I'll let you know if I struggle or if it's simple like I said. I hope I do not struggle, and a part of me is telling me to try this, test this out on the bridesmaids boxes, because there's extras of those and there's only one maid of honor box. But I think I have a lot of faith in myself today, so I'm proceeding with the maid of honor box, and I just hope everything goes well. I'll keep you posted. Okay, so quick update. I just read the directions. It's super simple. You just pull the adhesive off and then pop the box out and apply pressure, and everything should just stick, and then you fill the box with, you know, whatever contents you have. So let's do this. What? That was all of literally like 10 seconds. They made this super easy to assemble, and like I said, the box is very sturdy. I don't have a lot of heavy things going in here, but if I did, I would feel confident that it would hold together. But how cute is this, guys? Let me show you. It's a magnetic closure. Like, look at that, so cute. And then you tie this together in a little bow. Ah, love it. Okay, let me fill it up. Okay, so we have the Will You Be My Maid of Honor box. Open it up. It says, I couldn't tie the knot without you. We have the card here that says the same thing with a personalized message on the back. The passport, the champagne glass. The champagne will go here. There's a sheet mask here. The eye masks. There's 2 of them, and then 2 lip masks. So I'm super happy with the way it came out, and I hope that all the ladies will be too. Okay, so update, this is the box with, that's my little mama. But this is a box with the champagne in there with the label, Will You Be My Maid of Honor. So cute. I'm trying to let it focus. There it goes. Super cute. Hey guys, okay, so let me fill you in. The last time I left off, I was headed to propose and ask my good friend Tasha to be my maid of honor. She said yes. Okay, you guys, tell me why I was so super nervous to ask her. I don't even know how men get down on one knee and ask the woman they love to marry them, because I was super excited. I mean, super nervous. Palms were sweaty. Shaking. I want to say I was probably doing a little slight shake, but anyway, I did ask her. I have a clip to insert. It's in vertical format because I did record it on my phone, because I didn't want to bust out with the camera and the phone and try to hand her the box. I feel like that would have been doing a little bit much. So I did have my phone out, so I'll insert a clip here.
Okay, let me see. Okay, so I wanted to give you this. What? Maid of honor? Yeah! Is that a yes? Yay! You did good! I'll be honored to have you standing next to me on my special day. Ah! Now you're gonna make me mad. I really don't want to cry. I'm so honored. You have no idea. Yay! Yes! Oh my god! Yay! You are my maid of honor. I couldn't tie the knot without you. I'm like, ooh, I got a cup. Yes, got a little please. Cheers.
So as you guys can see, she was super excited too. And then, so since then, I have asked one of my other really good friends to be my bridesmaid. Her name's Ashley. I'll insert that clip here too.
Oh, thank you, guys. Oh, give me your phone. Let me record. I'm recording too. Yay! Oh, of course I will. Thank you, Ashley. Oh, it's about time.
I know I'm late.
This is so sweet, Tree.
So was that a yes? Did you say yes?
Oh. Yes, this is a yes.
Okay, yeah.
A big time yes.
Oh,
Oh, this is so nice. Oh, little treat. Thank you. Look at this. I couldn't tie the knot without you. Oh, of course I will. This is so nice. This is why you left it in here, because it was a surprise. Yay.
Okay, so as you can see, she was also very excited. So I'm actually, you know, getting the hang of this now. I wasn't nervous to ask Ashley, you know, it was cool. And so now I've been trying to like get in touch with another friend, but our schedules haven't really been able to align. My cousin is coming over tomorrow, and then I have another friend. We have to wait until next week. So it's happening. It's happening. I'm just ready to wrap it up just so I can put all the ladies in a group chat, and I want to do a bridesmaids meet and greet and just really get everything going. But today, checking back in, because right now I am about to get dressed, finish getting dressed, and head to meet up with Tasha, my maid of honor, get to know her name. So I'm gonna meet up with her, and we're just gonna go over like bachelorette and bridal showers. So she is like already on it. I thought like, okay, maybe I had a little time to ask the other ladies. She's like, yeah, we need to meet and talk about these plans. So I'm super excited. She sent me a picture. She brought the cutest maid of honor planner, super cute. So I'm excited that she's so excited and already jumping into things. So we're about to go meet up, and I'll let you know how that goes. I'm excited to hear what she has to say or to start planning. I really don't have anything in mind yet, but she has ideas. She told me ideas before I even asked her to be my maid of honor. So super excited about that. I know if I say excited one more time, right? But I really am excited. And then yeah, tomorrow my cousin, so I'll show you guys or bring you along for that. All right, stay tuned for more. Okay, so I just finished running an errand, and then I stopped to get the little mini champagne, the little mini Prosecco bottles. And my cousin told me she just put up, she's already parked. I'm super excited to propose to her and to see her. I haven't seen her in so long, like since the beginning of COVID or right before COVID hit. So it'll be so good to see her and ask her. I know she's gonna be excited too, and I'm hoping to surprise her. I really hope that this is unexpected. That is the goal for all the ladies. Like, you know, I would love the surprise element, and so far it has been successful with surprising them. So hopefully she's surprised too. So I can't wait to show you her reaction. Something out for my Instagram stuff, but I think, can you sit down because I want to see the lighting. I'm gonna move it if that's okay. Yeah, I think that should be good. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Sorry, Tia. No problem.
You gotta make sure it's propped up.
Okay, you know I love you, right?
Yes.
I got something for you.
I love you too.
Oh,
girl. Oh my god.
Not you being excited about the Prosecco.
Yes, of course.